Hi, my name is Vernz, and in this video we are going to repot my Hoya darwinii. I have two of them, but before we continue, please click the subscribe and notification bell buttons to stay in the loop. Okay, so this Hoya darwinii, this one here was placed inside, and it's already climbing this jackfruit tree. So I have removed it yesterday, and I have damaged the end part, but it's okay. You can just this end part here will no longer continue to grow. So I will be going to place it back to the soil so that it will grow roots instead, and a new stem will just grow somewhere near its stem. And I'm going to place them in a new pot where the hanger is a metal like this one, so that they will just climb around. They will just climb around the metal hangers, and I'm just going to train them so that they will not invade the other pots. So as you can see, this one here is already invading the pots of this begonia. I'm going to remove it now, probably because this one here, this darwinii, have a very thin stem, the thinnest stem that I have seen for a Hoya. So I am not sure if there is a Hoya thinner than this one. So this is now the stem of this darwinii. It is more than 2 feet long already. So we are going to transfer this darwinii, stove them to a new pot. Okay, so we are now going to place this Hoya in its new pot. So this is my new pot. This is I think this is about 6 inches diameter at the top. This is PVC, and this is gauge 12 wire. As you can see, it is quite sturdy. So we are going to place the darwinii here now. So this is our first darwinii. Going to measure it first. Okay. So this will be my new potting medium. This is a coconut husk. This is very mature coconut husk. So it is important that the coconut husk that you are going to use is a very matured one, because if you're going to use the green one, even if you dry it, it will not really dry, so it will retain water. But this dry one is the ones that are being preferred by Hoya growers in the Philippines, because these do not retain water. So we're going to remove this. Okay, so the roots are here in this area. Okay, this is the roots. I have the soil is sandy, so it crumples very easily, but it's okay. Coconut husk has become rarer than the previous years. During the previous years, you can just easily go to the market and you can just ask the coconut husk from the grinder, especially before November 1, because during November 1 in the Philippines we cook foods that are mostly made of sticky rice, and many of the delicacies being cooked requires coconut milk. So they bring the coconut to the coconut grinder, and many times you just buy at the coconut grinder and the coconut husk are just there, and the coconut grinder will just throw it away. But now I don't know why it is becoming very rare now. I actually would like to bring back the stem down so that it will grow new roots as a backup. It's a very thin stem. This is just as thin as the gauge 20 thread. It's very thin. We're going to place the cable tie. Place cable tie here loosely, not too tight, just enough so that the stem will not wanders around. Don't choke the stem. Okay. So this is now the new pot of the darwinii, and hopefully it will grow very good here. Okay, you are now going to pot the second pot. This one. This is harder compared to the first one because the stem is going around this nylon twine hanger. So this is a gauge 70 pounds nylon twine. But I am just going to cut that so that we can remove this stem. We need to do it carefully so that the young leaf here will not be damaged. It has too many orange aphids. So to remove it, to remove the aphids, you can simply spray some insecticide, or you can use the cotton buds or cotton balls. You can wet it with alcohol, and the aphids will stick very easily at the cotton. Or an insecticide will do. This this pot is cost me around 16 pesos, and the wire, the gauge filled wire, cost 120 per kilo, and I can only make 6 metal hangers out of 1 kilo of the wire. So the hanger cost me 20 pesos. The pot cost me 16 pesos. This is already 36 pesos. The coconut husk was given to me. The previous one have a very small roots. Yep. The roots of the darwinii is very shallow. It is just around this bowl, the bowl leaf. The balls of the darwinii is where the ants lives. So they say that the ants fertilize the darwinii, so they help each other. The darwinii gave home to the ants, and the ants fertilize the darwinii. So if you see some ants in your darwinii, don't kill it. It is helping the plant. Even in some of my pots, the cubicalic pots that I have there have ants, actually, black ants. But if you water it every day, the ants will not live. Okay, so we will because I wanted this one, the end part of this darwinii is damaged, so I took it yesterday. But I wanted this other end here to be back at the pot, so that it will grow roots and it will protect the plants in case of a root rot. Just in case. So how are we going to do it? I think that will do. Just do it like that. Yep. Okay. So we'll just clip it, the damaged stem. Get it back. We'll place coconut husk on top of it so that it will not move. There. And I'm going to use again this cable tie in this part first. Not too tight, not too tight. Okay. Maybe another one here, but we leave here. So that's it. Hopefully these two pots here will be my mother plants, because these are one of my first darwinii. I have 4 of them. I have placed the other 2 beside the tree so that it will climb there, and these 2 here. And I am not going to sell it yet, because this is a very hard Hoya to grow, and I am lucky, out of 13 cuttings, I'm lucky to have grown 4 of them. So hopefully I can make many copies of them. So that's it. Please subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.